You're going way too fast. I can't see this. Oh. It's quite windy. You're gonna have to get a cam for that. There it goes. There it is. I don't want to let go of the tripod.
Whoa!
Phoebe is freaking out. Well, don't go so fast. You're going to kill it. Honey, put her inside. She's trying to climb up my back. Here in East Central Indiana. You better not hit me with that thing. Drive straight out that way so I can get it on here so everyone can see it. Here it goes. I don't want to let go of the tripod. the sun. My husband, he never had much of a childhood. He didn't get to do anything like this. He's going to have to get him a camera to put on it. I don't know. How fast is that going?
Huh?
How fast is that going?
45 and 50.
And we got this huge backyard too. I don't know if you guys can hear, but we got chickens down the road. I can't even keep track of it. You can see in the background, that's our landlord. He is always working with his heavy equipment on some kind of project. We've been here since 2019. They've been really good to us. There's a piece of our old Christmas tree laying down there. And you can see this is the highway out there. And this is all our backyard. He just flipped it. Now we're going to have bad storms. Everything. It's getting pretty windy. It's going to be 76 degrees here today. And all this bad weather coming this weekend, and he's not working. We have plans to remote control car and go looking for trains and stuff. I'm supposed to be getting my handheld scanner for the trains. It's supposed to be here today by 9 o'clock. So I got the security camera on in the front of the house, so I know when they come down the driveway. I just got hit by a truck, and if I wouldn't have stopped it, it would have took the stand and my iPhone with it. For each time you hit me with that, you know what you gotta get me. Each time you hit me with that. hit me once, so you owe me. Well, these batteries definitely last longer than our drone batteries do. Drones are fun to fly. He flies them. We've got a couple videos. Well, that would have been awesome, but I totally missed it. Can you do it again? That time. Okay, we don't have flowers. There's the flower. No, just looking at nothing.